Wanted you guys to see the work light with magnets and Velcro, I believe. Yes, they come with little Velcro tabs. They take 3 AAA batteries, and they're also magnetic. So, yeah, we're going to do my lighting as soon as I put the batteries in. I also, they take 3 AAA. Just wanted to show you. I bought them from Dollar Tree as well. Okay, wanted you to see how well lit it is, just with one light back here, and that's staying up with the magnet. There is a switch on top to shut it off. There you go. Now you can see it really truly is dark. So it lights up pretty good. And I still haven't put the other one on, but I'll show you. I use both Velcros from both of these lights for this side, because it's sticking to wood and I'm not sure how well it's going to stick to that. So this is for my little doggy area here. I think I showed you guys this before. I have an overhead light here, but anyway, this is also from the Dollar Tree as well as the bags. And then I often sometimes use this light as well to give me extra light. This just hangs here in case I need it for the outside. So another little doggy idea. I have these also hanging on the cage outside, as well as they have like a bone that holds the doggy poo bags at Dollar Tree. So I have a few already out there. Then I have ones to take with me and when I need a flashlight, or taking this flashlight or just leaving it hang there for extra light. Yeah. So anyway, while we're here, wanted to show you, I also use the Dollar Tree reacher. I have several of these, but anyway, they'll help you get some of the stuff that's up higher here down off the shelf. You know, just grab it and what have you. These I can reach very well, and they have handles. Of course, they all have handles, but I did want to just give you that little organization idea for things that are up high. And there we go. More organizational ideas. Wanted to show you a few more hacks. These hooks hold up a tension rod back here, a very old one. And I have a much better new one hanging in the kitchenette. Pot holder. These things hanging on it. Yeah. They make a great little thing. You can hang bottles, whatever. Here's the other rod. I think I showed you on the last video, but you can hang. I've also hung them from this rail here on the bottom of the shelf, but nonetheless, good little idea. Same with these hooks here. You can hang your bottle there. Just a little hack for behind really anything where there's a countertop. This is, again, my washer and dryer area, which is a horrible mess at the moment, and I don't have my lights on. But good idea. Wanted to show you guys the marble things again. These are Dollar Tree plant bottoms to kind of hold water. But if you fill it up completely with the marbles, it will hold weight very well. If not, I would suggest putting a piece of cardboard on the bottom of this, where it will still turn, but it'll hold things that are heavier. So these are the medium ones. I think I showed you with the large ones. And then there's really small ones. These come in a pack of 6, so you get 3 turntables. Not sure what these come in. It's not telling me here. So, I probably have several packs here anyway. And of course, the large ones I told you came in a pack of 3. So you need 2 to get 3 full turntables out of them, as well as the marbles. And I'll show you what I did. Under here, under this cabinet. It's a nice little efficient way to handle things. And I will show you. These are the turntables I made. They do save a whole lot of space. I went through my mugs. Here's another one. There's another one. I had to use up my Dollar Tree burner covers for the bottom parts in the large ones. So, there you go. Here we are in my pantry, which was very dark. I took one of those lights, put it in here, and used the Velcro. Seems to be working well. It's definitely a necessity. They work well. And I have one under here now. Yes. Over there, I pretty much always have that light on over the stove. So I don't need light there as much. But by the coffee bar, I do. This is the dark corner. And here I'm using the magnetic feature because it has a magnet. So I can use this in here any old way I want. Looking for it in this pantry and then stick it back on. Shut it off. Okay, down here in my kitchenette, showed you the rod. Now I also hung the light. I use the magnetic feature. I think you're definitely going to have to stick with extra double-sided tape or something for wood. Now the other light down by the washer is holding with 2 sets of Velcro because one I use the magnetic feature. Same thing with the other one in the kitchen I'm going to show you. So I used 2 sets. On this one I only used 1 and it was falling down. So I magneted it to the rod. So just a little info. And here, again, I put another light. I did use the Velcro, only 1. So far it's holding, but it does have the magnetic feature that I can use the magnetic feature to hold it to the rod. So the one downstairs was not holding with just the Velcro, just so you know. So, or I would use the double-sided tape or something where, I don't know, because you need to take it off to put the batteries. But anyway, the magnetic feature is definitely working well. Or 2 sets of Velcro, like the Velcro dots, or maybe even more. So please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a good one.